Hey guys, welcome back to my channel जहाँ हम पढ़ेंगे और आप if you want to any types of synopsis for your semester 5th semester or 6th semester project work, then you can contact me on my email address. Then I will provide you a best price of synopsis in other websites with the take guarantee of approval. Any person you have to want a synopsis, then contact my email address. Then I send your synopsis, and you can pay with my GPay or other platform of sites. Then I will, and you got also one Viva interview questions for your project or synopsis. That is helping you for your mini project Viva in IGNOU. We providing a best price of synopsis in other website or other platforms with guarantee of no scams, approval guarantee, and I am also submission this form. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Take care, bye bye. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned.